it's Jack here, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite recipes, guacamole. I love making guacamole. I really like my guacamole and it's really tasty. My parents love it. Anyone who's tried it has really liked it. My recipe uses 2 avocados. So I already scooped one, as you can see. So I'm just gonna scoop the other one right here. And always remember, before you go into the kitchen, or before you cook, you should always wash your hands. Yeah. So my guacamole is a super simple recipe. All it is avocados, lemon, black pepper, salt, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. So I'm just gonna squeeze this lemon here and get all my lemon juice that I need. So that looks like about enough lemon juice. So now I'm just mashing the avocados. And if you're using a fork, I find it much easier to poke them a bit and then like squish them. So I'm just gonna do that. So this looks about right. So yeah, so next, I just finished mashing this. So next step, I am going to pour a little lemon juice in. So that should look like enough, and then just mix it all around so all of the avocado gets soaked up by the lemon juice. Now I'm going to put a little salt in. And mix that up a bit more. And when you're making something like guacamole, you should taste test it every once in a while to see if you need to put in a bit more salt or a bit more lemon juice. So I'm just gonna taste test this right here. I think it needs a bit more salt. I'm just gonna mix this all around. Next, I'm gonna put a little black pepper in. I'm gonna mix it all around again. Then I'm going to put a little cayenne pepper in it. That should be good. So now let's test it. It tastes really good. So that is the recipe, and it's super simple, only a few ingredients. And sometimes I also put in cilantro, red onion, cherry tomatoes, or green onion, and they all work very well with the guacamole. And you can also serve this with cucumber slices, carrot slices, or chips. And if you have a guacamole recipe, please leave it down below in the comments. And if you want to cook with me some more, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tell all of your friends. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!